Okay folks, look what we have here. This is Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. We're still having Ford Day over here. We have a 1963 Mercury Comet. Check this car out folks. This is beautiful. Nicely styled automobile. Now it's got a 289 3-speed automatic on the column with a Ford. You said it's an 8-inch rear end? Yeah. 8-inch Ford rear end. It's got 7-inch wide rims on it. Listen to this thing. She's superb, boy. Look at that. Look at the styling on the back of this car. Is that jet age or what? That is beautiful. Look at that. Man, that is something else. That is unreal. I love that. I absolutely love that. We got it running for you. It sounds great. Got little comet stripes. I always call those little comet tails. Now look on the inside here. Got a center console with automatic on the column. And as you can see, wait a minute, that says drive and low. That's a 2-speed. Huh. It's got low and drive. That'd be a 2-speed, wouldn't it? Does it? Okay. He's saying it's a 3-speed, folks. That's from Comet. You gotta check out this grill. And as you can see, we're missing a couple emblems. We're not quite missing the windshield wipers. We're not quite finished with it. Got that classic Ford styling. That is a beautiful car. Can we pop the hood? He's busy talking to my buddy. I'll get him to pop the hood here in just a second. I wanted to show you something on the inside, by the way. I missed it a while ago. Look at these door panels. Look at this. Look at this trim, styling. That is unbelievable. This car's not for sale now. This is his project. The gas pedal's missing. He showed me he had bought a gas pedal for it. It's in a box. Hood raised up for you now, folks. There she is, little 289. Like I said, originally came with a 260. I think we got a little header leak, exhaust leak or something. And there's exhaust manifolds. Look at that thing. She just turned. Look how smooth that engine is. 1963. Still running. Still going strong. Folks, hope you like this stuff. We bring you a lot of cool stuff. We don't care what it is. We love all these old cars. Show some love to these folks for these projects. They put a lot of hard work in these cars, a lot of money. Show some love. Give them a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Comment. Tell them how much you appreciate their cars. But they're saving this stuff. This is American history, folks. America made some of the greatest cars in the world. I mean all the brands. They brought some really cool stuff to the showrooms for you folks to buy. And folks like this gentleman here are saving these cars, and I so much appreciate this. And I want you guys to share this, enjoy this hobby. All right, folks, we're gonna turn you loose here. 63 Mercury Comet. Subscribe to the channel. I'll continue to bring you some more cool stuff. We've got quite a few that we've videoed already. Did the Fairlane in there. We had an old Thunderbird over there, the Ford truck with a not Ford engine in it, but a not a Chevy engine either. The other Ford truck is the Fairlane. We got a Ranchero over here. And we all know when we leave here, we got to go do some more stuff. So we got a busy day. We're bringing a lot of cars to you, a lot of content. Show some love. We make some mistakes sometimes. Sometimes we don't get the years right, or we don't get certain colors and options right. You got to understand, this stuff runs together when you get so many cars. You can't be experts on them all. So correct us when we're wrong and show some love, and enjoy the channel. Subscribe, hit that like button, and tell these folks how much you appreciate the work they're putting into these cars. All right, take care, folks. Thank you.